Okay, you guys, we're back, and I'm washing his twists because they're super dirty. I guess it's been, what, about 2 months? Probably about 2 months, and he rinsed them out, but not with the shampoo, so the bar shampoo. We're gonna get these twists rinsed. So I'm washing it with the twist in because he's very tender-headed. And so I'm gonna have to take my time, really take my time, and let the conditioner sit in it while I comb through. And he's gonna get these twists right back in because he liked the dreaded look. So we're gonna just wash them and retwist them, so we're gonna keep the same parts and all that good stuff. So we shall see. And I'm sure this is gonna be really dirty, just because, like I said, he hadn't really put no shampoo on it. He kind of been running water through it, but that's it. So, but when you see your shampoo lather up to this degree, when it's really sudsy, then that's when you know the hair is coming clean. So there we go. And it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, so I've washed his hair 2 times already, but did you see this grayish film? That grayish look over the hair? You want a coal black look. And I even put a little baking soda in here, so his hair is just really dirty off in there. So what I'm going to do to try to get rid of some of this gray area is I'm going to wash it again, add a little bit more baking soda to try to see if I can get that film out of there. And then, of course, you guys know I have to wash his in twists just because he's so tender-headed. So if you have a child who's tender-headed, you can wash him in twists, and then you have to comb it out, like put the conditioner in, and I'll show you the process. So we got to wash it again till this comes coal black and clean. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some plain like just regular baking soda, and I'm going to take the twist, and where the dirt really sits on the twist, I'm going to massage that in first. Then I'm going to shampoo again, just because I'm trying to get as much of the soil out as possible. Because again, when you have a tender-headed and he can't handle me combing it, I'm doing that on each twist because all the dirt accumulates right here at the base of the twist. This is a new growth. He got about 1.5 inches new growth, and then this is where the twist meets. And so right where the twist starts, that's where that's where all the buildup is. So I'm gonna take each twist and just kind of agitate it. I'm doing just like this. Let me show you another one. Okay, this is an actual twist. I'm gonna take the baking soda and I'm going to just kind of rub it in between my hands like that, kind of agitate trying to get the grime and dirt up out of there. So then I'm gonna put shampoo on top of it, and we're gonna see how that comes out, and we're gonna move forward from there. Okay. Okay, so look at that. After the rinse out of the baking soda, we are back to nice and dark and healthy and black hair. So we got all the baking soda and the shampoo. I had to end up using a stronger shampoo just to get the grease out, and I cut the water up a little warmer than normal just because I wanted to ensure that I got all the grease out of his head. But so for right now, he's looking great. Look how shiny and thick it is. So now we're gonna go to the conditioning process, and I'm gonna comb it out. I'll be back. Okay, so we've started. I put conditioner in, and I've combed this one out. And so when I twist, right now I don't have any gel or anything, but I'm just gonna twist these back normal. And once I twist it, we're gonna go to the next one. And so when I undid the twist, it was not, let me just stop right here. Let me just do this next one right here so you guys can see that the baking soda did get a lot of the dirt out of the hair, but it's still tangled because, again, he's had these up for 2 months. So that's kind of expected at this point. So I just take the comb and do the twist because it's right here where the hair meets, where it used to be a part of his scalp, and the new growth has grown out. And I got to be super gentle because, again, he's very tender-headed. And I really prefer to use my fingers and just kind of a pulling motion, pulling up. so that it doesn't hurt him. This is a lot of this is conditioner, and some of it is also some of the lint that was caught up in his hair. So I gotta pull it apart like that, and then you take each section and you just literally have to pull one at a time. It's gonna be a process. See, he's moving already, and I'm just trying to pull this apart. So
maybe because being gentle.
He said if I was being gentle, he'd have no idea. If he go to the salon, they gonna comb it, really comb it. But I think I might let him go to the salon. What y'all think? Comment below if y'all think I should just let him go to the salon so he can have a true experience of
If I'm going anywhere and getting this cut off.
You getting where?
If I'm going anywhere and getting this cut off.
You want me to cut it off? I can cut it off. You want me to? You're not sure yet?
I was just saying.
Now you see that? Now if he had to go somewhere, he gonna get it cut off. But if I offer to cut it off, that ain't an option. He'll sit here and want me to, baby his head and all this. But he won't go nowhere else. He'll just go and let them cut it off, because he don't want to complain to other people. But if I'm doing it, no problemo. He sure loves his mama, don't he? Correct. Keep on, boy. If y'all got somebody in y'all household like this, honey, please comment below. Comment below. He rather talk noise here and have me do it, because he know nobody else is going, no matter how much he pay him, they're going to put up with that. Because again, he tender-headed. Now I got this tango tweezer because it's really, we got this tango teaser. I don't know what you're talking about, but we got this tango teaser because it's the easiest thing to undo is twist. So you can just see just a slight bit, a little bit of lint and stuff is still there, but I'm gonna comb it until that comes out. And once it's all out, we can start our twisting process back up. And that's how I do his hair each time. And I guess last time I put different parts. I had to go back and repart so he won't have a bald spot or anything from pulling in the same area. So got a little bit of lint at the end, but otherwise we're gonna go ahead and twist, and I'm gonna do the entire head. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching, and please comment below if you want to see more videos or me doing additional things to his head, or even maybe next time me taking it completely down and starting over with fresh parts. Let me know below. We appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you much.